Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today we're going to explore Murphy Richards OTG. Murphy Richards is a company that has long established itself as a company that designs and manufactures consumer durables that are known for its innovative features and robust build. A company that lives up to its catchline of providing smart ideas for your home. Its Besta Black range of oven toaster grill is just another feather in its much accomplished cap. Now, to cater to the varying cooking needs of different households, it offers the Besta Black oven toaster griller in 3 sizes of 18 liters, 40 liters and 52 liters. All in a sleek, matte black finish that adds to the class and decor of your kitchen. The 18-liter version is versatile and offers the bake mode with revolutionary smart bake technology to give you brilliant results. It is equipped with a motorized rotisserie function for even grilling your food. If dinner is delayed, this one right here makes sure that you still get hot food with its keep warm function and maintains proper food temperature after cooking. Taking into account that different food items need different temperatures to cook, this one is equipped with a temperature controller that allows you to set the desired temperature. It also comes with a 60-minute timer so that food that takes longer to cook can do so without regular intervention from you, thus freeing you to probably relax while the food cooks to perfection. And if the food calls for continuous cooking, the stay-on facility will really ensure just that for you. Now, cleaning after cooking is a chore that most of us do not like. To make things easier for you, this range comes with a detachable crumb tray that collects food droppings and spillage during your cooking and thus facilitates easy cleaning while protecting the bottom of the OTG chamber. This version operates at 1400 watts. Now coming to the next model. The 40-liter version of the oven toaster griller is a step up and offers, apart from the standard features, a 120-minute timer for continuous cooking and with a convection mode that ensures uniform temperature distribution. This version also comes with an illuminated chamber so that you can keep an eye on the cooking process and take corrective steps wherever necessary. This version operates at 2000 watts and is fitted with a mirror finish door for that sleek, futuristic look. The 52-liter version of the Besta Black oven toaster griller comes equipped with all the features available in the 40-liter version but can cook a lot more food in a single sitting and operates at 2000 watts. So friends, here goes my final word. The Besta Black oven toaster griller in all its 3 variants will only add to your cooking experience by virtue of its sheer versatility, letting you bake, toast or grill as your mood takes you. The fact that it carries the Murphy Richards logo guarantees that it will be a reliable kitchen partner for years to come. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. Let us bring to your doorstep quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all our products and an assured brand warranty. Thank you so much for watching. Have a perfect buy.